Hello kids, Metal, Todd from ToJu Racing here. We're going to do an unboxing of one of my friend Dave's, the other Dave's I know. It's Corvette. We mentioned in a video back that we were going to unbox this. Dave's actually filming. Say hello, Dave.
Hey.
Alright, so we're going to pop this bad boy open. Come on in here and get on close. So this is the Chevrolet Corvette C7 GT3-R Callaway. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Low to the ground. All that good stuff. So let's get this baby open and get a better look. Got my handle X-Acto knife. Hope everybody's okay today.
Having a good day today myself. I hope you did too, Todd.
Excellent. All right. Bear with me while these things unscrew. A little odd. We're free. I didn't get cut, but then it got stuck again. That's weird. There we go. All right. Really nice looking car. Look, it's got a whole black on the front nose. Kind of like that Beamer that we were talking about. I like the Valvoline.
See, what your other racers will see is that part right there. The rear end.
The back end, yes.
Yeah.
It should say C right there, huh? I like the tail lights. That's really cool. And check that out. The driver livery matches the car. Pretty sweet. Well, let's take it into the track and let you give it a run. Follow me here. We'll get into the track room. All right, first we'll get her programmed. Speed will be 6. 6 or 5?
5.
5 it is.
Gotta get it broke in
Braking. That's a little high on the braking. Go 6. And your fuel will be 3. And here's your controller. Code it to that. I'll take over on the video. You know what to do there. Go ahead and hit your... You gotta program it's not coded in yet. That's 2, that's gonna ghost it. Go back to 1 light. Oh, lane change. All right. Oh my, that looks pretty fast.
Ooh, a little too fast, huh? In for an inside check.
I gotcha. Phoebe, don't you be a buttnick.
Got a good kick out slide.
Oh, your brushes. Sorry about that, kids. You're good. No, Bart. So this is just out of the box, kids. We haven't even changed the steering keel yet, and it's running really nice. We do have a new steering keel we've got to install. We just haven't got to that. Hang on a second here. Phoebe, could you sit down, please? Let's sit. Stay. Don't be a buttnick. Sorry about that. Phoebe loves to chase stuff, and we've got some remote control tanks we play with too, and oh, she just gets so antagonized by those. It's quite funny. You need fuel, Dave. Oh. Yeah, so Dave sponsored Pit Row, so that's Dave's Pit Row. If he can remember to change lanes and get to it. Whoa, we still missed it. You're gonna have to try again, bud. Nice slide, by the way. That was outstanding. Uh-oh. No, it's... I think you're nearly out. There we go. Phoebe, sit. Thank you. That car runs good, man.
Yeah, this is just being fine for the speed. Needs to be a little faster road shooter.
I'm gonna try that lane, see if you have any better luck. I just wonder if that's that evolution track causing the problem.
No, we have problems before.
Well, yeah, that car, those cars do kind of slightly rub. Man, that car runs good. That's what we noticed about Den's son has an Austin Martin something or another that's just like this, that just is super fast. I can't wait to get my Audi, which should be here tomorrow. All right, kids, we're gonna go ahead and stop the video here and let Dave play with his car some more. Thanks everybody for watching, as always. If you could, give us a like and a subscribe. Dave says bye. Phoebe, you wanna say bye? She's too excited by the car. Anyway, thanks everyone, have a good night. ToJu Racing, out.